West Yorkshire Print Workshop is in Mirfield in West Yorkshire, near to Huddersfield. We're one of the largest open access printmaking workshops in Yorkshire, and we're supported by the Arts Council. It's very apt that people come to learn printmaking because we're actually housed in a former Victorian school. We run courses, we have a gallery and a shop, and we have some fantastic printmaking facilities. But we're also home to 10 resident artists who call this their home too.
The wonderful thing about West Yorkshire Print Workshop is the team here are really passionate about printmaking and really passionate about sharing that sort of far and wide with people. It also has some of the most amazing equipment that you can see or find, so really sort of excellent vintage equipment that is beautifully cared for and is used and loved every day in the studios.
So here at West Yorkshire Print Workshop we have a range of presses and equipment to enable lots of different printmaking processes. We have facilities for etching, screen printing, letterpress, relief printing such as lino cut and wood cut, and also photo etching and photolithography.
In terms of education at West Yorkshire Print Workshop, we educate people in the joys of printmaking in lots of different ways. We have an in-house course programme where people can come into the workshop and experience using the equipment and the materials here, but we also cater for people who might want to learn remotely, so we have online courses. We also work within the community as well to educate various different groups and diverse audiences within Kirklees, and also work as well a lot with schools.
We're really proud to run a printmaking fellowship scheme which supports young creative talent through access to our specialist facilities, mentoring and training.
So Unit 2 is our exhibition space currently in Huddersfield Town Centre, where we're showing a mixture of international and national artists as well as more local and community-based projects. Coupled with that, we've been developing online artist talks which have gone international, and they've been a great way for artists to share their practice, their ideas, their creative output.
I think the atmosphere is very warm and welcoming, so as soon as you come in you feel at ease. That creative buzz I think is very important as an artist, and sometimes you're working in such isolation with yourself. To have a place like this is fantastic.
The creative community and coming to work is the thing that I love, and meeting people. So there's 10 different studios here who are all different mediums, so a nice mix, and then there's the gallery and the printmaking facility, so it's a real creative hub of activity and love for the arts. It's brilliant.